Mentirong ba kajala konrad ki sangma uloong ba dalili ru kin omailat iki seng balang bikin pentrikam de KLP la jong ha kajala ya kaniu mentirong ba ulapun pau hadien ba sisngi ba KSU kala berngam ban pentrikam de KLP la jong ladak sarkar ka penslam ban pentrikam ya KLP ha kajala.
No, I think we have been already communicating with everybody that there is a sincere effort from the government side. Even the governor has ensured that he will take up the matter with center, not just for the ILP but also for the MRSSA. So I think these are all very positive news. So therefore, there is no need for any such action to be taken by anybody. And obviously, this is something that cannot be allowed. Also, and the government will ensure that the law is maintained. But we will also ensure at the same time that all the steps that need to be taken to ensure that we are monitoring the people who are coming in is something that we are very committed to. And that is the reason why now the entry-exit points, especially the entry point at Umling, is ready physically. But we are just training the manpower now. And I think within a matter of days, we should be seeing that entry point being activated. So therefore, there can be clearly people will see that there is a committed effort and a commitment from the state government side to ensure that we have a mechanism in place. Thank you.